Today we're going to have a go at fixing one of my favorite jumpers. So the stitches have come undone for my sleeve. The way I think I'm going to fix it is I'm going to turn it around and just do zigzag stitch over it. Hopefully that will fix it. So I've got my machine here. I think it needs quite a short stitch width. The main thing that I need to make sure is that the starting point is level. I think I'm going to go a little bit up and down on the starting and then just carry on. I'll try. I'm going to hold it as level as I could. Maybe give it a little stretch as well. It's not moving, so I'm going to rethink what I'm doing. Oh no, it's actually got caught. What I thought was going to be an easy project, so now we need to let me take you closer. So it's got caught on this machine now. It's come underneath here. So what I need to do is actually take this all apart and try and get it out as unharmed as possible. Try and pull it a little bit to start with, but it seems to be completely jagged here. Let's have a look what happened here then. There you go, it just got caught in here. Hopefully I can remove it all without damaging. Rethink what we're going to do here. So now to figure out how I can undo this. So take two, I've chosen a straight one this time. And I'm going to start from the inside of the jumper rather than at the edge. I've slowed it down as well, so I can monitor where I'm stitching. So I've done straight stitch instead, and looks like I caught it all really nicely. Turning it around, it looks nice, and the top hasn't been too badly damaged. And cut this one off. Job done. Ready to be worn again. I'm happy with that. I've got no idea if you see anything on the screen, but yeah, so it just looks like that. Might be this angle that you see. Job done.